currently I'm in a trade on Euro JPY. Alright, so the idea behind this trade was a bit simple. Alright, so we had price bouncing off these monthly lows right here, indicating that price is going to trend to the upside. Alright, we also have on a weekly perspective, we're seeing our price bounce off this level. We invalidated these structures, showing that price has shifted from an intraday bearish perspective to now heading to the upside. Alright, so we break this level, we retest, and now we are looking to take a buying opportunity to the upside. So that was the idea behind this trade. Alright, so I'm just going to cover our multiple time frame analysis on this one, and then I'm going to go into the reasons. So even from a daily perspective, what we're seeing happening right here is price is pushing bullish from a daily perspective as well. Alright, so we're anticipating that this daily candle is going to close bullish. From a 4H perspective, price is pushing off these levels of resistance on a higher time frame. We have a series of 4H candles pushing bullish, so we're anticipating a continuation to some key here in the market. So we have a key here right here, and we have one right here. So we're just trading this 1 hour. Everything looks bullish, and we took the trade from a break and retest level on our 15-minute time frame. So price is trending up beautiful. Let me just hop into MT5. So currently we're up 128 on this trade right now. So we're going to see how things turn out with this trade. Once you're at about 1 to 1, 1 to 2, or if price keeps forming higher highs, higher lows, we'll continue to trail our stop loss below each key zone. Alright, so I'm just showing you this trading idea right here. Um, some other trading opportunities, I'm just going to break these down, which I missed out on. But nevertheless, let's go over the ideas so you guys can get the education on this. Alright, so from a higher perspective, things look bullish for AUD USD. From a weekly perspective, however, we're seeing where prices bouncing off these area of resistance right here. Alright, so initially price was going down, we wicked, we push up to the upside, and now we're currently at this zone again. So price is forming a reaction to the upside from a weekly perspective. Alright, and we can draw our zone right here. Ooh. So we can draw our zone right here to see where price is reacting from. Alright, so from a daily perspective, things look bullish. From a weekly perspective, things look bullish. However, from a monthly perspective, things look bearish. On a 4H perspective, what we can see is that the market is forming equal lows right here and equal highs right here. Alright, so we have a bit of consolidation right here. So we don't know where price is headed because price is consolidating. However, during consolidation, what happens is that the market is very predictable. So we can see where the market bounces from here, bounce to these lows, bounce from the highs, bounce to these lows, bounce from the highs, bounce to these lows. Alright, so when the price was here, I was looking to take a trade on this. However, what I wanted to see at first was a break of this structure right here. So let me join. So a break of this structure, and I wanted a retest of this structure, which price just continued trending to the upside. I was focusing on the Euro JPY trade, and I missed out on this opportunity because price invalidated this structure and we had a 5-minute retest. So if I scroll down to our 5-minute, what you can see is that price didn't retest this level. However, it broke this structure, we had a retest, and price continued to the upside. So if we were to take this trade, if we were to go along right here, and we could target this level of consolidation, and our stop loss would be below this key area, would have a easy 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio trade right here. But I was focusing on your JPY trade at the time, missed out on this opportunity. but nevertheless giving the education so that you guys can identify trades like this in the market if you do see the opportunity again. All right, so that's the AUD USD trade. I also saw one on GJ. However, with currency pairs, there are a direct correlation. So if Euro JPY is going up, we should expect GJ to be trending up. We should expect USD JPY to be trending up based on currency strength, signifying to us that the Japanese yen is weak and the currencies trading against the yen are stronger. Alright, so GJ, here was also a trade on GJ. I'm also going to break it down. And if you look on GJ and Euro JPY from a monthly perspective, you realize the structure is very similar. So GJ is the same thing. We are touching off the monthly lows right here from a structural perspective, and all this move from the upside was created. If we scroll to our weekly time frame, currently we are seeing where the market has been pushing off these structural lows, and we've been invalidating structure to the upside right here. So we break this level of resistance right here, and we're trending to the upside. All right, we have a weekly candle that is pushing bullish, so that should signify to us that the current market structure from an intraday perspective is also bullish. Alright, so we have a daily candle that's also pushing bullish currently. So if you're looking for scalping opportunities, we're trading a 24-hour candle. So we're seeing where this is currently pushing bullish. We're currently only looking for buys. Alright, so scroll on to our 4, we have a series of bullish candles. So this is pushing bullish. This one had a bit of push to the upside and then we closed bearish, and the series of 4H candle following that one was bullish. Alright, so the market has been trending bullish from an intraday perspective. Scrolling down to our 1 hour, what we had here is a break and a retest of structure. And if we should scroll on to our 15-minute, things look more clearer. Retest right here, we had multiple wick rejections, but definitely I would not take the trade from this area. I would look to trade it from here, because if you scroll to our 5 minute, you realize that we had a classic double bottom formation, which is good, but I like to take retest trade because it gives more higher confluences. So we had a break of structure right here, a retest, and then from there all of this move to the upside was created, and we could have caught a 1 to 5 from this, targeting this key area right here. Alright, so hopefully I didn't get into the wrong one. We're still up on Euro JPY right now. Let me check. Alright, so I'm up $150. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, and our target is at that 15-minute high right there. So we're going to see how this trade plays out. Alright, but these are the trading opportunities that I saw today, November 18, 2024. These were good opportunities. I also want to show you guys a trading idea that I posted on USD Swiss franc back on October 15 of 2024. So I'm just going to go to USD Swiss franc real quick right here. Alright, so let me see when this idea was posted. It was posted October 15, which is around right here. Let me just highlight this. October 15. There we go. So I posted that USD Swiss franc is quite bullish with bouncing off monthly levels of support and traveling to the upside. Alright, so this is where I called out the trade back on October 15, and if we just play this right out, we see where all of this move to the upside was created. Alright guys, so definitely follow me on Trading View, where I post ideas publicly and trade. I also posted this idea on Twitter, so you guys can definitely follow me on Twitter as well. But yeah, this is just me trading in the market, and I decided that just going to share these knowledge with you guys on how to break down the market, how to analyze the charts. Simple stuff, simple. Alright, so tell me if this is something that you guys like, and I'll definitely do more videos like this, executing trades, posting analysis, and so forth, so you guys can definitely see this. All right, so this is just a short video clipping how you could have caught some trades using my strategy, which is simple multiple time frame analysis. And then after that, we determine a directional bias. Then we look for confirmations, whether it be a double bottom, break and retest. I love break and retest. I mostly trade break and retest. So once I determine my directional bias, I scroll on the 15 minute, on the 5 minute, look for break and retest patterns, and then opportunities to the upside. Alright. Also, I use multiple currency strength also to support my bias. So essentially, if one pair is pushing to the upside, then I'm looking on other currencies pairs to see if it's a case where that currency pair is weak or the other currency pair is strong. Alright. So AUD USD is definitely trending bullish to the upside, which I definitely like. So I have an alert right here. So if price should push up and we get a 1 hour retest of this consolidation zone right here, then I'm looking to take a long position. So if price should come into this area, then I'm looking to take long positions to right here. So have an alert set because I missed the intraday trade right here. So I'm just looking for price to retest into this zone, give us some confirmations. Then I'll scroll to the 5, the 15 minute, look for probably a double bottom, break and retest, then I'll trade to the upside. But definitely good opportunities. So I'm just going to see how the Euro JPY trade plays out. I'm kind of iffy about this because I'm like, all the good opportunities. GJ would have been a good trade for me today, but I ended up taking the Euro JPY trade. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, guys. All right.